Hello everyone. Let's see about product design and work systems. How this product design and work system helps in the production. Let's get into these further slides of this product design and work system. Work study. Work study is a generic term of those techniques, methods, study and work that is being used and measured which are used in the examination of human work in all its contexts and which leads systematically to the investigation of all the factors which affect the efficiency and economy of the situation being reviewed in order to improve the effect. Main objective of work study. The main objective of work study is to improve productivity of men, machines, and materials. The aim of work study is to determine the best method of performing each operation and to eliminate wastage so that production increases with less fatigue. The work study is also used in determining the standard time that a qualified worker should take to perform operation when working at a normal place. Objective of work study. Objective of work study is that increased efficiency, best product quality, to choose the fastest method to do a job, to improve the working process, less to operation and work and effective man labor control, effective utilization of resources, to decide equipment requirement, to pay fair wages are the objectives of work study. Procedure of work study. The standard the to standardize the method of doing a work, to minimize the unit cost of production, to determine the standard time of doing a task, to minimize the material movement and operation movement, to eliminate unnecessary human movements, to utilize functions such as men, machines, and maternals most effectively, and to a systematic investigation of all factors. So, the advantages of work study is that work study ensures higher productivity, better working conditions with less fatigue, high wages to workers, uniform production flow, job satisfaction and job security to workers, reduce in unit cost of production, quality products to consumers, fast delivery schedule, harmonious employee employer relation, and better service to customers. Motion study. Motion study is a part of method study where analysis of the motion of an operator or work will be studied. Principles of motion study: use of human body, arrangements of workplace, design of tools and equipments in motion study are the principles are being mainly focused in the motion study. Motion study is part of the method where we study the analysis of motion of an operator or work will be studied. Uses of human body. The two hands should begin and complete their improvements at the same time. The two hands should not be idle at the same time except during period of rest. Motions of the arms should be made simultaneously. Hand and body motions should be made at the lowest classification at which is possible to do the work satisfactory. Momentum should be employed to help the work but should be reduced to minimum whenever it has to be overcome by muscular efforts. Continuous curved movements are to be preferred to straight line motions involving sudden and changes the direction. Arrangements to the workplace. Definite and fixed stations should be provided for all tools and materials to permit habit formation. Tools and materials should be pre-positioned to reduce searching. Gravity fit bins and containers should be used to deliver the materials as close to the point of use as possible. Tools, materials, and controls should be located within a maximum working area and as near to the worker as possible. Materials and tools should be arranged to permit the best sequence of motions. Materials and tools, drop deliveries or ejectors should be used whenever possible so that the operation does not have to use his hands to dispose of finished parts. Provisions should be made for adequate lighting and chair of type and height. Design of tools and equipments. The color of the workplace should contrast with that of work and thus reduce eye fatigue. The hands should be relieved of all work of holding the workpiece where this can be done by jig or fixture or foot operating device. ways to improve productivity, product development, specialization and standardization, market, consumer and product research, value analysis, process planning and research, method study, safety, operation training, production planning and control, material control. Thank you so much for this session.